Hi everyone, I'm Casey Jenkins, and today we're back with another video where we talk to one of our Hertz farmland professionals while they're out in the field and working on their day-to-day projects. Today I'm talking with Farm Manager Nicole Rustad out of Mason City, Iowa. Nicole, thanks for talking with me.
Hi Casey, thank you.
Why don't we start off with you telling me where you're at and what's going on with that drone in your hand?
Yeah, so I am at a client's farm just south of Mason City in Cerro Gordo County, Iowa. And we are using the drone today. It's a technology that we started implementing a few years ago to help scout the crops. And we also use it for any projects that are going on, such as tiling or any waterway improvements and stuff like that. So it's a good tool to use.
Great. And what kind of weather conditions do you look for when you want to fly the drone?
Yeah, good question. So we like to pick days that aren't super windy. Today it's about 10 miles per hour, so that's good. We have a nice app that we use that helps show the elevation or the wind speed and gust speed up to 400 feet, which is how far we can fly, so that's good to use. I also like if I'm checking the crop conditions, not having too many clouds so we don't get any overage or dark spots along the crop that will mislead anything. So.
Sure, yeah. Well, it sounds like today is a perfect day to fly it, so let's go ahead and get it in the air.
Yeah, I'll get it started.
So, Nicole, when you're flying the drone, what are some of the things you're looking at on your little screen there?
Yeah, so now that the drone's in the air, I can really see the field really well. Can cover a lot of acres at once. And this field in particular just was sprayed. So I'm double checking to make sure we have good weed pressure control and no areas that were missed or if we have to change the program at all for the next pass. We also check for any deficiencies going on in the crop. You know, there could be a nitrogen deficiency that we could maybe come back with another pass to help the crop out there. You know, this height's a good height for the weed control pressure to check. Similar for soybeans as well, because again, if it hasn't canopied yet. Also, this past week we had quite a bit of rain in our area, so I'm just double checking that there's no wet spots and all our drainage is working properly, or no areas that we need to come back and fix in the fall. And this farm in particular has had quite a bit of drainage in it, so it's looking really good, and drainage is under control and no wet spots. So happy to see that.
Good. Well, we're glad to hear that too. Nicole, thanks so much for talking with me today. I appreciate you taking the time.
Yes, thank you, Casey.
If you have any questions on today's video, you can either drop a comment or email me directly at caseyj@hertz.ag, and we'll get you in touch with a professional in your area.